We're going to show how to troubleshoot and fix an integration issue between NAM 4.3 and IDM 4.5, specifically accessing some of the user app applications /dash/landing. So if we look at the integration, assuming the SAML configuration is done correctly, when you go and access one of these resources /dash or /landing, you're going to get this error message here. And the reason you get the error message is because of some security changes to the NAM IDP headers, which is preventing the posting or submitting of data over to the IDP side. You can fix the issue by going to the configuration and specifically modifying the OPT Novell NAM IDP Web Apps NIDP Web XML, a real mouthful there. But if you go in here, down in the HTTP header security field, there is an anti-clickjacking option, which is set by default to same origin. This means that you're only able to actually post or submit data to the same host that you've received the HTML response from. So we're going to have to go and comment this out by default. So we go in here and we'll comment this out by default. And we will add a new setting in there where you can define which domains and hosts you can accept HTML forms that you submit from. So in this case here, the anti-clickjacking option has changed from same origin to allow from. And there's a second entry there, anti-clickjacking URI, which is our own IDM domain name. So now we save that. We restart the IDP server. Okay, so it's started successfully there. I'm going to go in here, start IE, which will automatically go to Dash, and now I'm redirected to the IDP server.